Hi everyone, I am Ruchira Vibhat, PhD student working under Professor Soumya Beram, Department of Physics, IIT Bombay. Here I would like to present the abstract on our work done on the topic out of equilibrium chiral higher order topological insulator on a pi flux square lattice. We consider a two-dimensional square lattice with long range hopping as indicated by these blue arrows, and a pi flux is threading through each of the square plaque, which is indicated by means of these dotted lines. In the absence of any external drive, our static model do not possess any topological phase. We drive our static model using a square wave pulse, and in the presence of the square wave pulse, our model turns out to show topologically non-trivial phase with zero energy states localized at the corners of the square lattice. So we study the model using two different methods. One is the exact diagonalization of Loci operator, and the other method is using a high frequency approximation, Brillouin-Wigner perturbation theory. And the effective time independent Hamiltonian obtained from both the method shows zero energy states which are localized at the corners of a square lattice, and these corner localized modes are protected by means of an emergent chiral symmetry of our model. Finally, these topological states are defined by means of a 2D invariant, which is defined as the product of winding number of the chain along x direction and the winding number of the chain along the y direction. Thank you.